Welcome to your Friday morning meditation. Hopefully you've just finished doing the Friday morning yoga practice. And now that we've stretched everything out, it should be a little bit easier to sit comfortably and stay really focused and anchored during this short meditation. Our affirmation this morning is, I adapt to change easily and effortlessly. So go ahead and take a seat. You can rest your hands over the tops of your knees, shrug your shoulders away from your ears, and sit up even a little bit taller. Starting to create and get into this habit of taking a few minutes for silence and stillness in the morning. Many of you are now in the habit of moving, doing a little bit of yoga when you wake up. So now we can see if we can add this component as well. So I won't really talk throughout. Just stay with your breath. And if you get distracted, or your mind begins to wander, just internally repeat our affirmation. I adapt to change easily and effortlessly. Asking yourself if this is true for you and how you might relate to this statement. I adapt to change easily and effortlessly. See if you can create a little bit more space within yourself using the power of your breath. And let's bring our awareness back into the present moment. Whatever you might have around you, you can open your eyes, releasing that affirmation. And let's bring our hands together at the front of the heart. Setting our intention for the day, let's close with a chant of Om. Inhale to chant, big breath in. Thank you so much for doing this 5-minute morning meditation with me. I hope you enjoyed it and that you also enjoyed the yoga practice that went along with it. Hopefully, I will see you tomorrow for our Saturday morning yoga and meditation practice. Thank you again.